Hello everyone, this video about my skill set on Google Merchant Center. So let's check it out. Hi there, I'm founder of Tracking by GTM, and if you have any tasks about Google Ads, Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager and Google Merchant Center, let's find the website link on the video description and schedule me. We will talk on Zoom and I will definitely help you. In this Merchant Center is suspended because of this insufficient contact information, and here is the all provide about confirm information available on Merchant Center, and some required information, user information and contact information is accurate and phone number is verified on Merchant Center. If we fix this, then we will make a request, then Google will review our all information, then this Merchant Center will approve. In this Merchant Center, this problem is shipping mismatch. So we need to fix this shipping mismatch. Then we will make request review. Then this Merchant Center should be approved. Because of Google will review all information. If we provide correct information, Google will request review. Then they will approve this Merchant Center. Let's check it out. My another Merchant Center on here. These are showing the error is the Merchant Center error is online store not confirmed. So should be this domain is not valid. This domain is not confirmed on this Merchant Center. That's why showing online store not confirmed. So there is another Merchant Center is approved, and here is active item is so many and some are approved items. So let's check it out. What's the problem on here? So here is the policy of price page scrolling policy 189 product. And here is some product or landing page is unavailable, some phone landing page is unavailable, some violate of Google policy this, and some image link broken and invalid value about availability your product, only one product on here. So this is about my another Merchant Center experience on here. I need to fix this as soon as possible. Also, just I want to share something about Google Merchant Center issue. What's the issue actually on Google Merchant Center? And some product are approved, this account are also active product, and we already make sale on this product and this account are approved. So here is my another one, and this account has not any approved product, and we already expired some item are expired. That's why this item is not active on here. And this Merchant Center also there is no issue in this Merchant Center. So here is my another Merchant Center, and one of the biggest Merchant Center, this one, and this is actually a treehouse supplier, and here is a lot of item about 1275, and these two items is pending on here, and here is some 40 product about disapproved. So why this we will check out on here. So here is promotional overlay image link is problem, unavailable desktop landing page. We need to fix this 8 product. So something like this mismatch error as well. So this website is my latest work, and I will fix this. And this is the website about we have supplier, and we are using for this Shopify Plus account on here. You see Shopify Plus account. So let's check it out. My another Merchant Center, and this Merchant Center based on Germany. This costs a Big Ego Cosmetics, and here is already 17 item rejected, but this Merchant Center is approved, and we got a lot of sale from here. And here is some this 16 product are violate of Google policy, and one product is value mismatch. That's why here is showing 70 product rejected attempt, but other product is approved. And here is my another Merchant Center about shopbrothers.de, and this also based on Germany, and here is 47 active item and some disapproved items. So let's check it out why these 8 item disapproved. So here is incorrect identifier exists. Only one main disapproved problem is incorrect identifier exists. So if we fix this 8 product identifier exists, then this product will approve our Merchant Center. Let's check it out. My another Merchant Center one here. So this is actually landywalls.com, and here is a lot of active item on here. 4 item are not approved. So this Merchant Center also active. There is no problem on here. And here is we will check out right now. So what's the problem on here? This based on Germany, that's showing German language. So on here in this Merchant Center problem is wrong value tag exist, invalid value for category prices. We need to fix this also. Violate Google policies. How many product on here? Only one product. And here is the warning about Merchant Center GTN, MPN and brand. We need to fix this. If we have GTN, MPN or brand identifier exist, let's sure we need to update this identifier exist. This will perform good on Google Merchant Center. So now let's check it out. What is Google Merchant Center performance? So when you click Google Merchant Center performance, then you will see last 7 days activity from here. Total impression, total clicks, total click-through rate is 1%. Average click-through rate is 2.5%. Total impression, you will check out from here like shopping all traffic, and here is only promotion and sales about price drop best, like a coupon code, something like this. If you run shopping ads, and here is you will see competitive visibility. On this competitive visibility, you will see your top merchant center and your competitor as well. So who are your competitor as well? Just click your competitor. This all website is your competitor, and here is showing also this reliability, visibility, page overlap rate, highest position, ad fee ratio as well. A lot of information you will get on here. And most of the time we are making for report using Google Data Studio. So in this Data Studio, we are using Google Analytics for data performance and Google Ads performance, about Facebook Ads performance. Also, we will track Shopify from here. We are using analytics, then we check out on also on here. This data some mismatch about Google Analytics. That's why we track directly from Shopify. I think this video is helpful for you about my skill set on Google Merchant Center. If you have any query, just check out our video description to see our website link. Also, you will see this number to call me.